You need to watch this if you struggle with dinner ideas. Let's make a glossy teriyaki salmon in just 15 minutes. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Now, let's whip up that delicious teriyaki sauce. In a bowl, whisk together 1/3 cup soy sauce, 3 tablespoons honey or brown sugar, 2 tablespoons rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, and a cornstarch slurry for thickening. Place your 4 salmon fillets in a baking dish and pour that glossy, sweet, and savory teriyaki sauce all over. Pop it in the oven and bake for 15 minutes until the salmon is cooked through and the sauce is caramelized to perfection. Here's a pro tip: garnish with green onions and sesame seeds for an extra burst of flavor and crunch. Serve it alongside roasted broccoli and jasmine rice for a perfectly balanced meal. And there you have it, an easy, mess-free teriyaki salmon that's as delicious as it looks. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick and tasty recipes.